Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video I'm going to show you how you can encrypt and decrypt SealSend messages. SealSend airdrop latest update. You need to decrypt and encrypt messages so you to be eligible for the airdrop. They have been sending you messages, you have been receiving their updates that you need to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can encrypt and decrypt. Encrypt meaning how to send message on your SealSend wallet, and decrypt means how you can actually reply those messages you are getting from friends on the SealSend wallet extension. So now let's go and do it right away. So you click on this place, then you select the SealSend secure email. So right now you need to lock your wallet. So right now I need to click on these three lines here, three dots, sorry. You need to click on the three dots to put my phone on the desktop site. So you can see desktop right here, desktop site, tap on it. Now my phone is now on the desktop site. So what I'm going to do here is to tap on this send arrow, this send here. We need to send and encrypt. Once I put my email, I'll click on send. So right now I need to sign in. Let me sign into my email. Then I'll put my phone number, my email, sorry. So once you sign in to your email, you need to make sure you sign into your email. So you have to click. At this stage you cannot do anything right now. You need to put your phone in a desktop site. Tap on this link, this three line. Now you put your phone on the desktop site again. Put it on the desktop site. So the next thing to do right now is this. My phone is in desktop site. At this point you can encrypt or decrypt messages, send messages. So what you can see this place that says secure compose. You need to tap on it. You need to click. Look at it, shows SealSend. That means you are in the SealSend extension. So you are going to compose a message. Click on this line here. Click on compose. So at this point you need to put the person's email, and you write a message. Okay, this is the person's email and the person's wallet extension. So the SealSend wallet extension, here on the subject you can write something like hello, how are you doing, anything you want to do. Hello, how are you? You can just write anything. Then you click on send. You can see send here. You can see send here. Tap on this send. Now you click on OK. Sorry, you must do this on the extension. If not, if you don't put your phone on the desktop version, you can't do this. Now you come back here. The message has been sent. The message has been sent. So you come back here and click on send again. Click on this send. Click on, let me minimize it so that we can see what is showing. They said error, the address into field was not recognized. Please make sure all addresses are properly formed. Okay, the address is not recognized. So right now you put the person's email. You click on send right here. I have sent the message. Now let me click on send. Let me check the message that I just sent. Okay, look at the message that I just sent to this person. Can you see it? Look at the message that I have sent to this person right now. How are you? Hello, how are you? This is the sender, and it's me that just sent it. So what I'm going to do now is, if I want to reply other people's messages I have on my account, if I want to reply, let me change to another account so that I can reply. Let me know if I can change to other accounts. So this is the email I just sent to this particular person. If you look at it closely, You can see the email I just sent to her, so she's going to receive it. Then I'll also show you how you can reply, that is decrypt email send message. I'm going to show you how you can decrypt send messages right now. So right now, this is the same person that I just sent message. You can see encrypted messages. So if you click on it directly, you will not be able to do this. So you need to reply this message also in the SealSend extension, following the same method we use to encrypt messages. So you're going to use the same message to decrypt. So it's something that is very easy. For you to get it easily with your phone, you must put your phone on the desktop site. Failure to put your phone on the desktop site, you can't be able to encrypt and decrypt send messages. I believe this is clear. I could have loved to do it, but unfortunately I used different email. The email that this person sent me these messages was from my another email, and I used my second email to send message to her. So obviously I cannot reply her, because for me to reply her I need to add up my second email, and it's going to make this video long. So if you use the same method I showed you on how to send encrypted message, use that the same method and reply other messages that you have received on your SealSend wallet. I believe this is clear. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates.